Is your iPhone battery overheating? It can occur due to heavy usage, environmental factors, or certain settings that affect the battery performance. Don't worry, this guide will help you troubleshoot and fix the issue of your iPhone battery overheating. Before you do anything, open Setting, scroll down, tap Accessibility, tap Motion, turn off Reduce Motion feature. A lot of you don't know this, but often the setting can lead overheating to your device. Now let's follow the main guide to solve overheating issues on iPhone. Solution 1. Check for intensive background processes. Open Settings on your iPhone, scroll down, and tap on Battery. Check if any apps are using excessive power by tapping on Battery Usage. If you notice any app using an unusually high amount of power, force them close by swiping up from the bottom and swiping away the app. You can also try offloading those apps by going to Settings, scroll down, tap General, tap iPhone Storage, selecting the app, and tapping Offload App. Solution 2. Disable Background App Refresh. Open Settings on your iPhone, scroll down, and tap on General, scroll down, select Background App Refresh, choose Off to prevent apps from refreshing in the background, which can reduce battery load and help cool down the battery. Solution 3. Enable Low Power Mode. Low power mode reduces the amount of power your iPhone uses, which can help cool down the battery. Open Settings, then tap on Battery. Toggle on low power mode. This will temporarily reduce performance and some features, but it can prevent your battery from overheating. Solution 4. Update iOS to the latest version. Open Settings, then tap on General, tap Software Update, and check if an update is available. If there is a new update, install it. Updates often include bug fixes and optimizations that can help prevent overheating issues. By following these steps, you should be able to address the issue of your iPhone battery overheating. Let me know if these steps helped or if you have further questions.